How to change clip properties in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and locate the clip you want to edit in the timeline or media pool. Right-click on the clip and select Clip Attributes. This window gives you access to important settings like frame rate, pixel aspect ratio, audio channel mapping. Adjusting the frame rate here is useful when you want to confirm clips shot at different speeds to match your timeline settings. Next, if you want to change the clip's speed or direction, right-click the clip in the timeline and choose Change Clip Speed. Here you can slow down, speed up, or even reverse the clip. You can also enable or disable frame blending for smoother speed changes. To modify visual properties like cropping, zoom, position, or rotation, select the clip and go to the Inspector panel on the top right. Under the Transform section, you can enter exact values or use the sliders to tweak how your clip appears. This is great for stabilizing shots, zooming in, or repositioning elements without needing to open a separate effect. Additionally, in the inspector, you can adjust other clip properties like opacity and blending modes, which help you create transparency effects or blend clips creatively. If your clip has audio, you can also manage volume levels, panning, and channel routing from the inspector, giving you full control over the sound without opening the Fairlight page. Finally, remember to save your project to keep all the changes intact. Adjusting clip properties is essential for fine-tuning your edits and ensuring everything fits perfectly in your timeline. And that's it. Now you know how to change clip properties in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.